Welcome back. This is the president of barbecue, Rob Crowder. Today we're going to be making something that I had for the first time approximately 10 years ago. My company needed me to go to Sao Paulo, Brazil, and while I was there, I was introduced to a Brazilian barbecue. And it was delicious, and I thought about it for many years, and I decided today we're going to make this today, we're going to make it. Now, I don't have the barbecue ovens that they actually make theirs in. I'm going to use my smoker, but I am going to cook it at 300 degrees. If you come on over here and look, what I have here is 2 pounds of rather thinly sliced chicken, skirt steak, and pork. And I pounded it out, and then it's been sitting in the refrigerator in a marinade for the last 12 hours. And the marinade consists of smoked paprika, cumin, chili powder, salt, pepper, lemon juice, and also garlic. Now you can see that this actually looks like a paste. It is not a liquid. And what I did is after I cut up all the meat, I actually put it in a Ziploc bag, put the marinade in, and used my hands to really put it into the meat. And this is what they do in Brazil when they have their Brazilian barbecue. Now I'm going to do mine a little bit differently than they do. They typically use a rod and hang it from the top of the oven. And what happens is the meat just sort of cooks, and then when they finish, they slice it off onto a plate for you. Well, obviously I don't have that oven, but what I do have is an onion. So what I'm going to do is take a Vidalia onion, and I'm going to slice it. I've taken the outside off, flattened this side and this side, and I'm going to slice it right in the middle. Just like that. Now I've already done one that's already sitting in my pan here, and I've also got here a skewer that I am going to put into this side. And now remember what I did, I put the flat side down, the part that I just cut, and I'm going to keep this for something very important in a second. So the next step is to start piling your meat onto your skewers. Just like this. There's no rhyme or reason. And again, you could have kept your chicken and skirt steak and everything separately. I chose not to. But you can do it any way you want. You sit there and you just start stacking it up. It was a very interesting meal when we went down there. I'd never been to Brazil before. If you think traffic is bad where you live, you've seen nothing yet. The traffic down there to go 30 miles, we were staying in Sau Paulo, and then driving into the location where we were going. And I will tell you, it was terrible. Traffic was terrible. There's a piece of pork right there. But again, what I'm going to do is stack this up all the way up. And I'm trying to get the meats a little bit different. There's a piece of pork there. And we'll go back to some steak here and here. You know, a lot of people don't like eating skirt steak. It can be kind of tough. But with the other meats that we have here, I think we'll be fine. So what I'm going to do is continue doing this. I'm not going to hold you up while I'm doing this, but I'm going to continue doing this. And come on back in a few minutes when we get ready to put it on the grill. Okay, now it's time to actually put the Brazilian barbecue on the grill. But before we do that, I wanted to introduce you to one of the new pieces of cooking equipment that the president has procured. It is a Traeger Ironwood 650. This uses wood pellets to actually cook. Tonight we're actually using cherry wood. And what happens is it actually has a flywheel that actually sends the little pellets down and actually creates the fire. This unit actually hooks into the phone so I can monitor the cooking as we're going along. This, I have getting it up to 300 degrees. It's at 290 now, and then we'll be ready to put this in. But I'm gonna go ahead and do it a little early. It's close enough. So, here is the grill. I used it a couple of weeks ago. I didn't want to reintroduce a new pan down there. So let's talk a little bit about what we're getting ready to put in here. It's already somewhat of an indirect cooking, but you can see I've stacked up the meat in 4 different onion halves, and on top I'll put some more onions. What's going to happen is those onions, as this cooks, is going to drain down through the meat. We're going to come back and check this in a little while, and again, this will start cooking in about an hour, and you'll actually start seeing the cooking process as the meat starts to curl downward on the actual sticks. So this is the President Barbecue. Come on back.